Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today I have decided to start the first lesson in 12th geography from the book Fundamentals of Human Geography. And our first lesson is Human Geography, Nature and Scope. So this is our first introductory lecture of the lesson, and we will try to understand what is the, you will say, recommendation of the lesson. So let's we see. In the first we will pay the attention on some important terms and important sentences. Human geography has sprouted from geography as son from mother. Means as in the 11th class you have seen that there is a first lesson where you have seen the geography has been described as a discipline as a geography. Discipline as a geography has been given as here a mother geography. So geography become extensive because geography is a fields of integrated empirical and practical. Means geography become a very wide subject because there is a lot of scope of the integrative study. Integrative study means a wide scale. There is a lot of descriptive based studies, empirical, the experimental based study, and practical, where there is a lot of other things has been used to just carry on the study of geography. So student, earth comprise two components, nature and life forms. Nature means the earth, and the life forms the human beings. With the human beings, so physical environment comprise the land, soil, mountains, hills, valleys, and many of the things. And in human, you will say, beings are related with the three kind of the important things: the nature, the technology, the institutions. And human beings which are interacted all these things, because in the first human beings they are interacted with the nature, and after the interaction of the nature they just take the support of technology and form the, will say, the institution. And institutions, they just play the very important role in the acceleration of the development of the resources. So that is very important thing, because the human beings, they just carry on in the earth from the nature, from the beginning, and they are just going towards the development. So core concern of the geography as a discipline, and earth as a human home, and all sustained elements. Means geography which is given as a disciplined subject has been given. So this is very important things to understand. And earth as a human home, and all sustained elements are the part of it. So study the nature and human beings, that is the dualism. Means there the two type of the, you will say, ways of the studying of the geography. One is called the nomothetic, and second is the ideographic. Nomothetic means the theory based study, and ideographic study means the descriptive based study. Means where there is a theory which is given about that the man, he was very beginning dependent over the nature, mother earth, and he was totally dependent over the, you will say, mother nature earth, and he was totally, you will say, guided by the nature of the earth. And ideographic study where descriptive based theories has been given, where many of the things has been given, such as the man has been developed their nature, their environment, and they affected the mother nature earth. So there are two type of the theory has been given. Various debates did not ensure the relation between physical and human geography. Means they do not separate the human and nature, because they are inseparable. So dichotomy is not valid between physical and human geography. Means there are not the kind of differences which has been advocated by the different type of the philosophers and different type of other person, but they were not very proved. So interesting things about the geography, that physical and human phenomena compare the earth with the human anatomy. Means many of the things of the earth has been you will say given in the comparison of the many things like the human anatomy, means such as the face of the earth, such as the mouth of the river, such as the neck of the isthmus, such as the profile of the soils. Many of the things has been just given as a metaphor, means where there are the kind of comparison with the different type of the features with the human anatomy. So that is very important things which also help to understand well the geography. So various metaphors such as the mouth of the, you will say, rivers, same village, etc. are used as the organism, and German geographers also told about the state and country as a living organism, means जीवित तत्व के रूप में इन्होंने इनको दिखाया था. Transport was also, you will say, given as the kind of arteries of the success of, you will say, development, success of the, you will say, human beings in the earth. So we never separate the nature from the human, means both are dependent on each other. Nature cannot run without the human, and human cannot run without the nature. Both are totally dependent on each other, both are totally interdependent on each other. That is very full and final things, and this is the holistic things also. So student, hope you understand this video lecture of the 12th class geography and first lesson which is going on. This is the you will say introductory lecture of the lesson. So hope you are understanding this lesson. If you have any kind of the comment, you can just share it, and it will also just encourage me to make the good videos over the geography and history and other subject also. Thank you to student to listen me.